Guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be reviewing 3 fragrance oils from Village Craft and Candle. It so happens that today is my puppy's birthday. Today they turn 1 year old. And on that occasion, I'm gonna be making 3 candles. One of the candles is gonna be featuring Funfetti birthday cake. This is one of the oils that I reviewed for you guys. And I'm gonna review it again because, like I told you before, I was not recording. Okay, so 3 of the oils. Okay, the first one is gonna be sugar, lychee, and suede. Let me read you the description. Here it is. Okay, enjoy the bright blend of pink pomelo, tangerine, and lychee in your creations. Cinnamon bark, Moroccan rose, and raspberry mid notes add depth, while vanilla sugar, pink suede, tonka, and sandalwood base notes provide a warm and luxurious finish. Okay, again, you know what? I'm glad that I'm doing this again because this is growing even more on me. Woo! It's sweet, but not in a candy way. It's sweet and loving and embracing and adult because of the suede on it, guys. It gives you that touch of sophistication and just smokiness, that mysteriousness. Woo! Okay, so for this one, guys, I'm gonna be using this was part of the Rainbow Collection of 1617, which we all know it does no longer exist. Okay, now these are gonna be 3 different colors. They're all the same size as my regular candles that I sell on my online, guys. These are 8-ounce candles. Okay, now these you can find on Amazon if you want to. I'm gonna put the link below. It's the same size, so it's the same wick configuration. CDN number 6 for each one of them. Okay, the top notes for this one is pink pomelo, tangerine, and lychee. Middle notes is cinnamon bark, Moroccan rose, and raspberry. Base note is vanilla sugar, pink suede, woo, tonka, and sandalwood. That base note is the killer. It's what brings everything together. You feel like you're getting a hug. How beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. And the next one is called Funfetti birthday cake. Okay, this is gonna be in honor of my puppies, guys. And you know me, I'm not too keen about these baking scents, but today I'm gonna make an exception because it's my puppy's birthday and everybody likes different things, but I'm just gonna tell you what this gives me. Okay, the description. This sweet and nostalgic fragrance oil blends rainbow sprinkles, typical vanilla sponge cake, guys. Vanilla sponge cake and rich vanilla frosting with hints of white chocolate. Ideal for candles, soaps, diffusers, room sprays, and body sprays. Okay, it adds a delightful aroma to your handmade creations. Bring a touch of fun and sweetness to your products with this versatile scent. Absolutely epic, guys. This is very festive, very colorful, like the Funfetti Factor, guys. And for this one, I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using the rainbow vessel. Okay, the top note is rainbow sprinkles. The middle note is vanilla sponge cake, guys. For those of you that like this kind of scent, guys, you're gonna love it. You're gonna go crazy. The base note, vanilla frosting and white chocolate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Woo! Yes! Okay, and the last one is called Black Vanilla and Oud. For that one, I'm gonna use the blue vessel. Okay, let's see. What do you see? Black Vanilla and Oud. Experience the rich and exotic aroma of our Black Vanilla and Oud fragrance oil with top notes of Madagascar vanilla. Ooh, yes! Ooh, beautiful, guys. Pistachio cream. It gives you like that yumminess. I love pistachio. My goodness, yes, and golden apple. But it's not too appley. It's not like candy. It's more very grown up, very adult. This fragrance opens with a sweet and nutty blend. The heart reveals vanilla orchid, jasmine sandbag, and sheer leather. That combination is very surprising, very sophisticated again. Adding a touch of floral elegance. Base notes of sandalwood, agarwood, and tonka bean provide a warm and lasting finish. Beautiful. Perfect for crafting candles, soaps, and body sprays. Absolutely. This I will make into a body spray, guys, because you can carry this with you wherever you go. Beautiful. Top note is Madagascar vanilla, pistachio cream, golden apple. Middle notes, vanilla orchid, jasmine sandbag, and sheer leather. Woo. And base notes, sandalwood, agarwood, and tonka bean. Beautiful ending to this beautiful fragrance. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna try to make the candles in here, or I'll bring you inside on the dining room, but my husband's inside. He's playing the piano, so I don't want to disrupt him. So I'm gonna try to make one candle in here, guys. I'm gonna just heat up the wax. I'm gonna bring it in here, and let me just everything prep, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I was planning to set up in here to make the candles. As you can see, it's gonna be impossible because I have to bring the hot wax from the kitchen in here, and I don't want to take a risk. Okay, so I'm gonna take you inside into the studio. Pardon the mess. It's very messy, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back. Pardon the mess in the kitchen, guys. Like I told you, we are going through a period that we are redoing our air conditioning system, guys. We're creating 2 zones. So this house has 2 floors. The upstairs is very hot, it's very warm. So what we're doing is we are breaking up the system into 2 zones. Okay, so that way we can control the upstairs when we want it cooler, and downstairs when we want it warmer. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, so in here I have all the ingredients that I need to make the candles, guys. Okay, so I have in here, in each of these containers I have 7.2 ounces of wax, number 7 wax, also known as Soy Bliss. Okay, it's available at Hive and Honey. I'm gonna put the link down below. Measure up the oil, the fragrance oil is gonna be 0.8 ounces. Okay, these are very messy, guys, so it's better if you put a piece of paper towel on the scale and then you put your beaker. Okay, tare. Okay, I need 0.8 ounces. Okay, the first one is going to be black vanilla and oud, and that's gonna be on the blue candle, so I need 0.8. And I'm gonna make only 1 candle on screen, guys, because it's the same process. So I'll show you the first candle, which is gonna be this one, and then the rest I'm gonna be doing off camera. And then at the end of the video, I'll meet you back on the garden, and we can have so I can give you my final thoughts. Okay? So I'm gonna measure all the oils right over here. Now I'm looking for a 10% fragrance load. Okay, so the candles, the total fill is going to be 8 ounces. The total weight is going to be 8 ounces on the candle. So it's going to be 7.2 ounces of wax and 0.8 ounces of fragrance oil. That's going to give you a total of 8 ounces. Okay. Funfetti, and the last one, sugar lychee and suede. It's very convenient because I'm used to my studio, guys. I have everything so close to me, but now here in the kitchen, we have the pets running all around. So my husband is outside with Piper and Sky. Okay, so this is the third one. I'm gonna place these 7.2 ounces of Soy Bliss into the microwave for 6 minutes. So I'll be back once that comes to temperature, okay? Yeah! Okay, so let's see how warm the wax is. Okay, this is 242. So I'm gonna let it cool because we don't want to burn off the oil. Okay, I want it at 220. And what I'm gonna do, guys, when I finish making this candle, I'm gonna wipe this off with alcohol. And I'm gonna start making candle number 2. Okay, it went to 219. Okay, I'm gonna add the first fragrance oil, and I'm gonna stir until it goes down between 180 and 185. Reason why? Because I don't want the wick stickers to come off from the vessel. Okay, so I'm gonna stir for about a minute, you know. So I'm gonna wait for this to come to temperature, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's 187. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pour. Let me just get some paper towels. Okay, beautiful candle, beautiful. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of the candle off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it's time to pour the last candle. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'll be back with you at the garden once this solidifies. Hi, guys, welcome back to the end of the video. So these are the beautiful candles that I may use beautiful fragrance oils from Village Craft and Candle. Okay. So the first one in here is the one that I made with black vanilla and oud. I'm telling you guys, the CT, the cold throw in this is out of this world. The second one, this one is made with sugar lychee and suede. Let's see. Very, very strong, very robust cold throw. And the last one is made with Funfetti. Again, very strong, very, very like, oof, yes. Now they just finished solidifying like a couple of hours ago. Let me just take them out so you can see them in their full glory. And the last one, perfection. Let me just put this to the side. Okay, so here they are. My goodness, guys. Look at how beautiful they look. I love this vessel. Too bad it's no longer available, but you know, it's just to show you guys. This is the same size as my other candles that I sell on my website, candleromance.shop. You should go and check it out. Okay, let me see which one is my favorite. Let's see. It's just that they're so different. You know, all of them are great. Okay, I have to say my least favorite is the Funfetti because this kind of scent is not for me. But I'm telling you guys, it's the true birthday cake. Beautiful. Okay, now, I want to tell you guys that I'm going to be running a hot throw test on these candles where I'm going to wait a couple of days. So if you want to know the results, look back because today is Saturday, so I'm going to be posting this video tomorrow, Sunday. So by Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to be putting the hot throw test results on the description box of the video, okay? So that way you know the results of that. I'm not going to be able to do it today because I want to upload this video today. I haven't uploaded in a long time. So, and I also wanted to celebrate my puppy's birthday. Okay, where are they? Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, Piper. Yeah. Come on, Sky. Come. Here she is. Here she is. You're the baby. Happy birthday to you, yes. Okay guys, I want to thank you for spending this time with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video, and don't forget to check out my website candleromance.shop so you can view and purchase all my beautiful candles. Until the next video guys, be well, take care, I love you, bye. Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you.